What's going on, guys? Getting ready to test drive this 1985 Chevy Silverado factory diesel, factory 4-speed car. Gonna see what she starts up. Turn the key on, hit the glow plugs. This thing hasn't been started in a while, so we'll see. Look at that. Tapped out on the oil pressure, charging good, clutch feels good. There we go, guys. Power steering works good. It's 88 degrees here in mid-bow. .2 liter diesel, factory 4-speed. Got brand new rubber on it. The old boy that has this consigned to us loves this truck. He just don't ever use it no more, so he's wanting to try to sell it. We're asking $6,900 for it, OBO. Good. Speedometer does not work. The fuel gauge does not work, like I said. But she drives good. Hands off the steering wheel, going completely straight. Got good brakes. Good little driver. Interior could use a little cleaning up, but those seat sets good. Remember, guys, go to raceshop.com. Check out our inventory of all of our cars. We got t-shirts for sale, upcoming events. Check us out on YouTube, TikTok, Snapchat, all of social media. Driving good. Like I say, it has brand new tires on it, maybe 300 miles, he said. Try the AC, but I don't know if it'll work. Turn signals are working. I just always put my hand out just to make sure. Just to make sure. No grinding of the gears. Like I tell everybody, we're about 12 miles north of Lake of the Ozarks. Right off of 54 highway. Well, matter of fact, we're right on 54 highway. Make a little trip, come down and see us. Goes in reverse good, don't grind. Seems like it's got a good clutch in it. A little oil on the clutch would be bad to keep it from squeaking, but other than that, good little driver. Alright guys, go to our inventory, check us out. And always remember, head to raceshop.com. Stand on it every chance you get. Just don't get caught and be careful. Have a good one. Peace out.